Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or if it's your first time here, hi, my name is Amanda and welcome to my channel. In today's video, we're going to do some meal prep. All of these recipes are vegan, even though I'm not vegan, but I'm trying to go more into that. It's kind of like one of my goals for this year is to cook more vegetarian, vegan meals instead of using meat, since not only is it really brutal the way a lot of the animals have been treated, but it's also a way to kind of reduce our ecological footprints by going for more vegetarian options instead of going for straight up meat. So the reason why I actually do meal prep is because if I have like stuff that's already done, easy to grab, I tend to eat way healthier and I feel like more energetic because I eat more nutritional foods and so forth, compared to when I not plan out what I'm going to eat and I end up sometimes way too many times making popcorn. If you would like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, don't forget to hit subscribe, and let's get cooking! So for breakfast this week, I'll be having chia pudding. For one serving, you'll need about a 1/4 cup of chia seeds and 3/4 of a cup of non-dairy milk. My favorites are almond and coconut milk, and lucky for me, not only did I find this option, which is best of both worlds, it was also for sale. To sweeten my chia pudding, I'm adding a sprinkle of cinnamon and about a teaspoon of coconut nectar. Other sweeteners I like is agave syrup and vanilla extract. Stir it around and then let it sit for about 5 to 10 minutes before adding your toppings. My toppings for this week are gluten-free granola, coconut flakes, walnuts, and raspberries. I only made 4 since I didn't have more mason jars, but they're so quick and easy to make that I'll get over it. For lunch this week, I made a chickpea mash that's very similar to a recipe Kaylin Nicholson shared on her channel. I put a link to the video below, and if you haven't checked her out already, you totally should. For about 5 servings, you'll need 2 cans of chickpeas, half an onion, 2 cups of shredded carrots, ground pepper, and onion powder. Use a potato masher to mush it all together before adding mustard. I'd say I use about 4 or 5 tablespoons, but it's entirely up to taste. If mustard's not your thing, you can also add mayo instead. I'm gonna eat it with rice, but you can also put it on top of a salad or in tortillas. A tip for when you're making rice, add a tablespoon of coconut oil, and not only will it taste delicious, coconut oil is also so good for you. For dinner this week, I made a tofu stir-fry. For about 6 servings, you're gonna need 1 red bell pepper, about 5 cups or so of mushrooms, the remaining yellow onion, and 1 packet of firm tofu. Fry it on medium-high and season with soy sauce, black pepper, and garlic powder. Since I managed to make a ton of rice, I'm going to eat it with rice as well until I run out, and then I'll just switch it up with some quinoa. Alright guys, that was it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, and if you decided to try out any of the recipes, make sure to comment below and let me know what you guys think. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a great day.